Alright everyone, welcome to Alexander the Phone Collector again. This is another video of me opening a package. I think it's been a little while since I've opened a package, so yeah, this is a package from ProLite Sales Supplies, and I got a Motorola clutch from Nextel. Yeah, it's a Motorola clutch from Nextel. I used to have one, but unfortunately, that one ended up having a broken screen, so I decided to buy another one. So it just arrived today, which is good. There you go. I'm gonna move out the stuff and let me see what this says. Thank you for your purchase. If you're happy with your product, feel free to follow us so you can keep us with your new accessories we added. Okay, I just put this inside. I'll put the rest inside. Didn't see my face, didn't you? Alright, here's the phone. But how am I supposed to open this? Oh, it's like this. There you go. There you go. Now it's open. This is the Motorola clutch from Nextel. I haven't had this one in a long time, since 2020. 2020, 2021, 2022, and 2023 were fast years. Here it is. This is what it looks like. It's pretty sticky though. Let's see if it has juice. And it does. Let me give you a closer look. i465, that's the model number. That's the model number. i465. Okay. Doesn't have a SIM card. Doing done. Nextel done. It's low battery, but works. It doesn't have a SIM card, but it works. Anyways, I'll wipe it down, so I'll be right back. I am back, and I cleaned it up, and I wiped it down, and it looks good to go. And if you want me to see it, sorry. I'll show you that it doesn't have a SIM card. Yeah, it doesn't have a SIM card, but it works. Yeah, I didn't mean to tap the focus button. I don't know how to get rid of it. And yeah, it works perfectly, and that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you think. And feel free to leave a like. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one. Peace.